Okay, in order to fix a situation like this, you'll need to make some minor adjustments throughout the line. If you don't have any room to pull on the cable, that means that the line is attached too tight, and you'll need to loosen the bottom end to create give over the whole line. Okay, and what it also means is that this collar here is facing the wrong way, and the locking nut is also loose. So once you've loosened this line, just tug a little bit on the line and it will give, and the insert will go back into the collar. Then before tightening it down, you want to turn the collar up so that it works against gravity, and then tighten the locking nut here. All right, and then retighten the bottom end just enough so that the brake assembly will work, and you will not have that problem anymore, and it will now work against gravity because the slot for the cable replacement is facing up and not down.